external hard drive enclosure case for laptop hard disk. I bought this for about 345 rupees from Amazon. In the box, I got one HDD case, one Y cable, one small screwdriver, some screws and one pouch. All you need is your hard disk from your laptop, and I'll show you how to fix this. You have to remove both the black panels from both the sides of the hard disk. Fix the internal drive with the enclosure. Put everything together. There are two holes on both the sides. Just take the screw and with the help of the screwdriver, fix them all together. It's that easy. Now your internal hard drive is your external hard disk. I'll just give you a quick demo. Connect your hard drive with your laptop. Here you go. Now all the data from your old laptop can be used in your new laptop. Do try this simple and not so costly hack and comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe.